Hey everyone, my name is Dan, and welcome to my channel, Makin Bacon PD. Now I'm not a professionally trained cook, nor have I ever worked in the restaurant business. I'm actually a police officer who just loves food, cooking, and sharing that food with people. Now I know what you're thinking, bologna? Really? Trust me on this one, it is absolutely delicious and a great experience. Even people that don't like bologna will like this. Let's fire it up. First up, grab yourself a stick of bologna. I've got a 2.5 pounder here and it's garlic bologna. Plenty to feed a small crowd or a few hungry neighbors. You can use any bologna, whether it's regular, garlic, or beef. Now, using a sharp knife, I'm scoring the outside in a checkerboard pattern. Not just for looks, this lets the heat and rub get down in there and crisp up those edges. Next, slather it all over with yellow mustard. Yep, plain yellow mustard. This helps the rub stick and gives you that beautiful bark once it hits the smoke, but you won't taste it. The other benefit of mustard binder is you can see the spots you missed with the rub. I'm using Killer Hogs the BBQ Rub today. It's got that sweet heat I love on this and will give it some great color. Hit it from all sides, no need to be shy. You can use any barbecue rub you enjoy. With your smoker rolling at 225 degrees, lay the bologna right on the grate and close the lid. And that's it for the next 3 hours. Just keep that smoke thin and steady. Now after 3 hours, and maybe a cold one or two, it's time to get saucy. By this point, I usually have a crowd hovering around the smoker like buzzards at a tailgate. Grab your favorite barbecue sauce. Today I'm using Flavor Town's hickory flavor. It's that classic sweet, smoky, savory barbecue sauce flavor. Now brush it all over that bologna and let it set right on the smoker. It's gonna tack up and caramelize like a dream. Once the sauce has set, it's slicing time. I like to do a combo, some thick slices, some meaty chunks. Throw those slices right back on the smoker or even a hot grill to get those crispy edges. That little bit of char, that's the secret weapon. Brush the slices with barbecue sauce as well. Now the chunks, I drop those into an aluminum pan with a little butter, brown sugar, and more of that sauce. Wrap it in foil and slide it back onto the pit for another 30 to 45 minutes, kind of like bologna burnt ends. And when that sauce caramelizes and the butter soaked in, oh man, you're ready to serve. You can eat this any way you want. Toss a slice on a bun, hit it with mustard and slaw, and you've got a sandwich that'll make folks line up for seconds. Today I'm just eating it plain, delicious, smoky, sweet, garlicky, and savory. You'll want to keep going back for more. So there you go, barbecue bologna, like we do it around here. Cheap, easy, packed with flavor, and guaranteed to disappear faster than you can slice it. Thanks for hanging out with me today on Makin Bacon PD. If you had fun, learned something, or just got hungry watching, go ahead and tap that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a chance to fire up something good. I'm Dan, your off-duty cop with on-duty flavor. Thanks for hanging out, and as always, keep making bacon.